This is a bit of a walk around of the Loewer 4TD 1000 Discmaster machine. This is the most current revision that has the digital readout, and it no longer has the mechanical hand wheel on the side of the machine. This one now uses a frequency inverter and is powered in the up and down directions, and it also gives you the convenience of the tool change button in the lower left to allow you to quickly open the machine to its maximum opening for changing abrasives, cleaning, things of those lines. Your power enters the electrical cabinet through that upper left corner. You have your main power switch, and your ready to operate, or your ready light is that green LED you see. You have fans on the front for cooling the electrical enclosure. The machines do also have an automatic tracking system for the conveyor belts to keep them centered on the machine. You have your air pressure regulator that controls your line pressure to the machine. Standard shop pressure is fine, anything between 80 and 110 psi. Obviously, as with all compressed air, the drier the better. There is an emergency stop on the front and rear in the same position. We're going to open the door here. They are on hydraulic lifts. You have a door interlock switch front and rear that will stop the machine if it's in operation and the doors are opened. This machine is outfitted with the aluminum kit. Basically what the aluminum kit is the shrouding around the abrasive discs down here that actually allow us to capture the debris at its point of origin. It's more effective at collecting the lighter debris generated by aluminum and things of those nature. The pinch rollers themselves are on a switch as shown in the control panel. They lift out of the way for doing smaller parts, and they lower back down together to do the longer parts. The carriage itself operates on these hardened tool rails. It rides back and forth on a set of hardened rollers as well. They are on all four corners of the carriages, top and bottom both. This particular machine, being the shrouded aluminum kit, has to have this handle on the top to allow you to rotate the abrasive discs for setting up your initial cut. The oscillation motor itself here has an external cooling unit that's actually powered to help keep it cool because of how slow that motor runs. It's not able to cool itself as a standard motor would. Low amperage. This machine also is outfitted with LED lights. They kind of make it a little nicer working inside. The cable chain itself is supporting the electrical wiring for the motors as well as your dust collection. And in this case, the dust collection goes out and through the top. Here on the back side, or the outfeed of the machine, you can see the over travel and limit switches for the height adjustments on the motors for the abrasives. This would stop you from automatically lifting the carriage too high or dropping it too low. Here you can also see that we do have a door interlock on the rear to keep the machine safe while operating. Again, with the aluminum kit on this particular machine, you can't really see a whole lot of the abrasives, but this would be a pair of combination discs or brushes. The machine is also outfitted with a cleaning brush that actually cleans underneath as the machine runs to sweep away the debris from the conveyor belt. It's on its own motor, and it's intertied with the conveyor belt drive motor and comes on anytime the conveyor is running.